Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you my vintage luxury wish list. So this would consist of bags, fashion jewelries, and ready-to-wear. So this is a little bit different from the regular luxury wish list that I previously shared. Plus guys, I'm also going to share another one coming soon. But for today, we are going to concentrate on vintage pieces first. So I'm very excited to share this to you guys. Hope you enjoy today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so you may be asking, why am I sharing my vintage luxury wish list? Of course guys, I truly understand that vintage is not everyone's cup of tea, but if you are just like myself who loves everything like from brand new, pre-love, and vintage, then definitely you are going to be happy with this episode for today. I love vintage for a couple of reasons. The main one, of course, is the style. Of course, vintage pieces would be 20 years and above, and of course, it would be like, I love several styles from the 90s and early 2000s that we cannot get today, from bags, ready-to-wear, and jewelries. And of course, another reason is the price. As we know, with the continuing saga of price increases left, right, and center with different luxury brands, Chanel, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Dior, and all, OMG, I'm almost priced out of those luxury brands. So it is, a fresh take for us to be collecting vintage luxury pieces that are pristine in condition, and it feels like you are getting a hold of history and definitely a collector's item. So let us start and hope you enjoy today's episode. Alright, so the first two pieces that I'm going to share to you would be from Fendi. So the very first one is a vintage Fendi Baguette, and not just a regular vintage Fendi Baguette, but either a sequin or beaded Fendi Baguette. So I have mentioned with the 5 bags that I love vlog that in that vlog I've mentioned that I would not be purchasing a brand new Fendi Baguette because the price for me is too high. So I was looking for a pre-love, then I went to the vintage market and I was able to see that the baguette that I would love to add to my collection would be something sparkly, something extravagant, which is very much my personality. And this would be a beaded or sequin Fendi Baguette. As you may have seen also guys with the last Fendi shopping vlog that I've just uploaded or would be uploading, apologies, I have tried the Fendi Sequin Baguette, the one that was worn by Carrie Bradshaw from her previous series, and just like that. And when I saw this one guys, my heart sang. It really sparked a joy in me. That's why, because the price of the brand new sequin baguette right now is around almost 4,000 US dollars, and OMG, for me that is super high. And when I saw this, the counterpart, the original version of the sequin baguette, OMG, I need to have it immediately. So currently right now I'm eyeing, it's either the sequin baguette. The sequin baguette guys are really difficult to come by at the pre-love market, and also the beaded ones. The beaded ones, what I think I'm not really liking with the beaded Fendi Baguette is the closure, the Fendi closure. It's like it's made of wood, but with the sequin, I would love to have the Fendi closure as metal. So for my next vintage luxury wish list would be coming from Chanel. So the very first one would be a vintage Chanel Kelly. So this one guys, this is the, I think if I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong, this is the very first Chanel bag that came with a top handle. So again guys, please don't quote me, I can be wrong. But when I have seen this on the pre-love / vintage market, my jaw dropped, and again, it really sparked a joy in myself. So this one, so again, this is on my search for the alternative in a Kelly bag. As you know guys, I don't have a bag with this style that comes with the top handle. The only downfall of this bag is it doesn't come with the doesn't come with a D-ring that you can attach a shoulder strap, but for me, I don't mind. What I super love about this one, if I could be honest and would be wishing really hard, is number one, the material would be caviar leather. Then if I could get it in gold hardware, it would be super fab, but if a silver hardware will do. Then I love the size here. I'm not really sure of the size, but I think the centimeters at the bottom part is around 20, it's either 26 centimeters or 30 centimeters. So I love that size. I feel it would be a good everyday bag. Alright, so the very next on my vintage luxury wish list, still from Chanel, would be any Chanel vintage jewelry, especially from the 90s. So guys, I'm sure you've heard me once or twice. I've said that I'm so obsessed with the vintage Chanel, especially from the 90s, and that is because how they manufactured it. It's dipped in 24 karat gold hardware. So for me, I feel it looks really luxurious, and it screams 90 Chanel. I super love that one. And remember guys, before Rihanna gave birth, she wore this entire outfit wherein she was adorned with the vintage Chanel jewelry. It's like OMG, it's such a dream. And as you know guys, I think also Chanel is bringing back their 90s Chanel, especially with their recent spring summer 2022 collection, wherein we are going to see that it really does look like the 90s vintage Chanel. That's why I would be so lucky if I could add another vintage Chanel piece on my collection. Alright, so for my vintage luxury wish list number 5, it would be from Louis Vuitton, and it is from their collaboration with Stephen Sprouse. So I would love anything from this collection guys. I super love how they have collaborated this wonderful artist. So number one, I would love to have the Stephen Sprouse x Louis Vuitton in the Alma. So it came into, I think, in 2 different styles or designs or colorways. So the first one is in the white beige clear color, and then there's the white black color. So I would love to choose the one with the white black color. I feel that one is more me. But what I fear about this vintage Alma, it's made of padded leather, and I'm not really sure how it aged. So my next bet, of course, would be the Speedy on this collection. Again, I super love how they were able to put the graffiti of Louis Vuitton on the entirety of the back. Or if I couldn't find that one, pochette accessoire would also be fabulous to add to my collection. There, how did you enjoy our episode for today? Please share to me guys, what is your vintage luxury wish list? I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Kindly comment down below. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in today's episode guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!